Well, hello everyone. I'm back, the new proud American conservative with more important info not too many of you can stomach. Quick video today on Jerome Powell today, Fed chair speech. He basically admitted due to Fed Reserve's policies, low rates, cheap money, that's the reason why the stock market is up. So no fundamentals. Due to our policies, the stock market is up. And then he added millions of jobs that were lost are not coming back, and we're not sure when they're coming back. But we're not going to change our policies. We're going to keep them, make them a little bit more extreme. We might drop the rates a little bit more, keep it, at zero, between 0 and 0.25 for the Fed rate, overnight Fed rate. And that's what we're going to do until 2022. So basically, the middle class is going to continue to get destroyed, whatever is left of it. Okay? So this is what he said, not to add all the money printing that everyone knows what they're doing. 125 billion a day. National debt right now is at 26 trillion. They added 2 trillion of deficits in just 2 months, and it took the nation over 200 years to get 2 trillion. So just to give you an idea, this is nothing but dollar debasement / dollar devaluation. Okay, so you need more dollars to buy same goods as you bought just not long ago. Purchasing power. So they are destroying us. They are destroying you if you're not getting prepared, if you're not listening to some of my videos and trying to hedge yourself off against this madness, this coming hyperinflation, as now it looks more probable than maybe. Okay, so if you can, get yourself some gold, some silver. If you can't afford gold, don't freak out. You don't have to buy an ounce, buy some grams. 1 gram is about $70, I believe. If you can't do that, buy 1 ounce of silver for $22. Start with that. If you don't have any money, don't worry, stimulus checks are coming in, stimulus payments into your bank account. Maybe you got a chance to use some of that, maybe 20%. Buy some hard tangible assets like gold and silver with it, maybe even some platinum, especially when the price drops. But I don't know how much time we have, okay? This is where it gets very tricky. I believe the most it's up until election. That's the most, so it's only 5 months. And these bullions, they stopped sending gold and silver and platinum when the market took the major hit in March of this year. And when they did send it, you were paying through the nose for premiums. It was like ridiculous. Silver was $11 and they were selling them for $25. So you just may not have there may not be as much time as you think, is what I'm trying to say. Okay? So if that's not what you're interested in, I don't know why you wouldn't be, based on what I'm telling you, especially when I said on my previous videos, I lived through hyperinflation. I know what it does. I know what it does to you, to your family. It was going on for 2 years. And what you can also do in order to acquire some of these precious metals, you can possibly speculate a little bit if you have some cash aside to jump in, maybe with 20% or something. Let's say you had $2,000 to your name and you put $400 into work. You look for sweet spots. Okay, this is my method. You can do whatever you want. If you already are trading and you're doing good, obviously you can disregard this. I call it in and out procedure, looking for sweet spots. KLXC energy stock today I was really interested in when I saw it open at 314, jumped to about 325-ish, and then it dropped to like 260. And then it went back up to 310. So I looked at that right away as a perfect opportunity to find that sweet spot between 260 and 320. So I set my position, my limit buy at 280. It filled. Set the long for 3. It filled. Set short 280. It filled. Set long at 3. It filled. Now, how many of these shares you can afford at, let's say, like I was just saying, about $2.80? That's up to you. You can see the amounts of money you can make if you, let's say, had 5,000 shares, or if you bought 500 shares, or whatever the amount is, whatever your bankroll is, you can use this system. Take that profit out, put some cash in the bank, some at home, and use 20% to buy precious metals. This is the method that will not fail. And if you're worried about the stock market, if you're not sure, even though I'll be posting more videos, just keep it super simple. This is what Kiyosaki says, KISS. Keep it super simple. Buy some silver. You can get a kilo for about $700 and call it a day. Do something. Don't just sit on your hands. There is not much time left. These freaks are going to completely destroy the middle class. They're telling you that. It's not me telling you. I'm just trying to prepare you, not to scare you. I'm just calling it out. And look at this. This is what I was talking about on the previous video. Check out all these cars. If you guys see where I'm walking. The beach is the Gulf of Mexico. Is right over where that stop sign is. You go right over it. So a pretty nice location here. But these cars are not here for to go to the beach. Most of them are the same. You got multi-family members that have been living here way before Corona. So yes, we were fed lies that we were in a booming economy. It's those 1%ers who continue to get rich, and the middle class continues to get destroyed. Think for yourself, people. Do your own research, and God bless you all. Take care.